So my name is Jim Webb. I did 15 years in the Navy, 10 years on a submarine, 5 years of shore duty. Got out with an honorable discharge.
My name's Leland Ward. Rank was E4 Sergeant in the Air Force.
My name is Swen A. Hunt Sr. I was in the Air Force from 1974 to 1978, and the rank that I left the Air Force was a sergeant.
From my perspective, being a veteran, just think of it this way. A person that's enlisting in the military basically is writing a blank check up to and including their life for their country.
Everybody always says thank you for the service, but I always reply back and said it was humbling for me to do it for you. I didn't do it for any selfish reason.
My father was in the military, and he talked a lot about it. He was only in for 4 years. I was the youngest. None of my other brothers went in. So that's why I went in, because my dad was in. And then when I got in, I just stayed in.
My dad retired from the Army so many years, so I had that experience. My grandfather, he was also in the military. I have a brother who was in the military. I have 2 nephews who was in the military.
My family, most of my uncles, served in the military, both grandfathers, and I always looked up to them as a kid. It just seemed to grab me, and I kind of gravitated to going into the service.
Respect, honor, commitment, courage.
The federal government recognized veterans, not only me, but any veteran, okay, is very important because of what they do, even from the history to currently what they're doing. So it's very important, and being a veteran, it makes it special for me because I'm part of that elite group.
Veterans Day is very personal to me, being a veteran myself, respecting all the veterans that are out there, those that made it, those that didn't. So it's very, very meaningful to me.
Veterans Day is meaningful to me. It's a day that we get to recognize the men and women that served our country. Some unfortunately died for our country, and it's a day that we can recognize and thank them for that.